English version mathematics class 5 chapter 7 number 3. The average of a cricketer runs in 16 innings 31.75. If he score 108, 34 runs and 47 runs in the next 3 innings, what will be his average run? Then we can calculate first 16 innings average 31.75. Then what is the total run of these 16 innings? Let's check. The initial runs 16 innings, 16 into 31.75 equal to 508. The next 3 innings, the next 3 innings runs 108 plus 34 plus 47 equal to 189 runs. Then total innings, what will the total innings? 16 plus 3 equal to 19. Then total run in 19 innings 508 and 189 equal to 697 run. The new average 697 divided by 19 equal to 36.68 approx. Thank you.